Hello everyone, me again, new camcorder this time. Following my pictures that I put on eBay the other night, as I'm sure you know now, there is this full loop section. It goes all the way up to the back, down and round. Been working on this new section up here, which has a Lima class 60 and EWS. Been working on this side with a low loader. It's a Cadzo low loader. I've weathered my signal light and put the ballast over it so you can't see it. Further gone up to there with ballast. I've recently bought some new paper, the same as this paper here, so I can continue right down to the far end. Trying to remember what I'd done in the pictures. Class 170 DMU, Central Trains livery, weathered on DC. These two oil tankers here, custom painted by myself. This one here has actually been done, so it's in the style of one that was in Stirling train station a few years ago, on a disused siding. Been working on this hill section here. Done some scenery over here as well. I've also custom weathered a 37. I've continued on with the fencing around this section here. I've now got some white paint for my compressor, so which means it'll be no longer done with road markings, done with Tipex. Believe it or not, that's what they were done with. So now I can actually do these road markings here with the white paint from Humbrol. Also weathered this wagon here. There's some downstairs that are still to be done. Well, I think that's about it. So thanks for watching. Any comments, feel free to post them.